Assalamu alaikum, welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore two popular project management approaches. One is Waterfall and the second is Agile. We'll see how they work, their key differences, and when to use each approach effectively. Project management involves planning, executing, and monitoring tasks to achieve specific goals within time, budget, and resource constraints. Choosing the right methodology can make a big difference in project success. The waterfall approach is a linear and sequential project management method. Each phase must be completed before moving on to the next. It is best suited for projects with clear, stable requirements that are unlikely to change. Waterfall has six main phases: requirement analysis, system design, implementation or coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. It is easy to manage and well documented, but it is inflexible and changes are costly once the project has started. Agile, on the other hand, is an iterative and incremental approach. It focuses on flexibility, collaboration, and continuous customer feedback, making it ideal for projects where requirements may change over time. Agile is guided by four key principles: valuing individuals and interactions, working products over documentation, customer collaboration, and responding to change. Work is done in short cycles that are called sprints, with daily stand up meetings and regular retrospectives to improve performance. Agile is adaptive, promotes teamwork, and delivers value in increments. Teams can quickly respond to changes and align with customer expectations. However, Agile can be less predictable in terms of timeline and budgets and requires skilled, motivated teams. Here's a quick comparison. Waterfall is linear, documented, and delivers the product at the end, whereas Agile is iterative, collaborative, and delivers working increments throughout the project. Flexibility, customer involvement, and adaptability are comparatively higher in Agile methodologies. In summary, choose Waterfall for projects with clear, stable requirements like construction or manufacturing projects. Choose Agile for dynamic projects with changing requirements such as software development or digital products. Selecting the right approach ensures successful project delivery and better alignment with the stakeholders.